On day 11 of the Daniel's fast, I enjoyed this rice cake with homemade peanut butter. If you would like to see how I prepared these rice cakes using sticky brown rice, stay tuned. To a pot on medium heat, we're going to add 4 cups of water. Followed by a half a teaspoon of salt. Bring water to a boil. Add 1 cup of brown rice. Cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or until water has evaporated. And there you have it, sticky brown rice. Now it's time to form our rice cakes. The thinner your rice cake is, the quicker it will dry. My rice cakes were about an inch thick and they took about 5 hours to dry at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. Listen to what is wise and try to understand it. Proverbs 2, verse 2.